Welcome, everyone. Today, we dive into Power BI parameters, those little magicians that make our queries dynamic. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of Power BI. Need to tweak your data view. Parameters got you covered. Filtering, modifying, customizing, it's like giving your queries superpowers. And the best part, you can create them easily from an existing query or directly in the Manage Parameters window. Stick around and let's unlock the full potential of parameters. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of parameter properties. Every parameter has a name, so no more mystery values in queries. Descriptions add clarity, required defines if it's a must-have, and type ensures compatibility. Suggested values. Well, they act like helpful hints, guiding users to input data correctly. Imagine them like a friendly GPS for your data. Set these right and your queries will thank you. Here's a fun fact, parameters come in different shapes and sizes, text, number, date, you name it. Choosing the right data type is key to avoiding errors. And suggested values. They make life easier. Imagine selecting a parameter for a report. Would you rather type the value manually or choose from a well-defined list? Thought so. These little details make your Power BI journey smooth and frustration-free. Good news, parameters aren't set in stone. If your business needs change, so can your parameters. Head over to the Manage Parameters window, tweak a value, and boom, your queries adjust instantly. Think of it like tuning a guitar. Small changes can make a huge difference. Just remember, a well-optimized parameter setup equals a smooth, efficient workflow. Make the tweaks wisely. Ever felt lost in a sea of messy data transformations? Well, parameters are here to rescue us. They make Power Query smarter, allowing seamless modifications and updates. Imagine setting rules once and watching your data transform magically. No manual labor required. They improve efficiency, accuracy, and save you loads of time. Honestly, it's like hiring an invisible data assistant. Who doesn't want that? Imagine flipping a switch and instantly changing report views without touching complex queries. Yes, that's the power of dynamic filtering. It allows users to tweak filters on the fly, making reports more interactive and useful. No more drowning in static, inflexible views. This is how you give your reports a boost, like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. Ever wished you could peek into the future? Well, what if analysis lets you simulate different scenarios with ease? By tweaking parameters, users can explore various possibilities and make smarter decisions. It's like having a crystal ball without the mysticism, of course. Because let's face it, informed decisions are way cooler than blind guesses. Parameter slicers are the interactive touch that reports desperately need. Instead of rigid settings, you get flexible controls that adjust values on demand. Imagine making instant changes without diving into query logic. That's the dream. They turn static reports into engaging, dynamic tools that users actually enjoy working with. Security isn't just about locking your doors. It's about controlling who gets access to your data. Parameters help set up permissions so only authorized users see the right information. No more accidental data leaks or unnecessary exposure. Think of it as setting up digital access passes, except no awkward badge scans. Nobody likes a slow-loading report. With parameters, you can optimize execution, reduce redundant calculations, and speed things up. It's like tuning up an engine. Everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and without frustrating delays. Time is precious, and parameters make sure you're not wasting it watching progress bars. Using parameters in Power BI Desktop, a piece of cake. As online though, that's where things get tricky. Deployment requires careful planning because some functionalities don't transfer seamlessly. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. You need adjustments, but the benefits are totally worth it. Best practices exist for a reason, so we don't end up in chaos. Naming parameters properly, keeping documentation handy, and maintaining simplicity ensures smooth functionality. Think of it like organizing your closet. Everything is easy to find, use, and keeps life hassle-free. As much as we love parameters, they have their quirks. Some functionalities don't carry over into online versions, requiring adjustments. It's a bit like loving a feature on your phone that disappears when you switch models. Frustrating, but manageable with the right approach. So here's the big takeaway. Parameters in Power BI are like the Swiss Army knife of data visualization. They let us tweak reports dynamically, saving time and effort. Instead of building multiple reports, we streamline everything, making work smoother and smarter. The best part, customization without touching the actual data. Talk about a game changer. And in the end, when we make data flexible, we make better decisions. Because who doesn't love a well-organized dashboard, right? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.